Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and we recently did a video on the Realme earbuds, and I think these are great wireless earbuds for Rs 3,999. Now in our first impressions video, I told you that we'll be comparing it against the competition. Now I have used the Noirshots X5, the Noirshots X Buds and the Mi AirDots Pro 2nd Gen, and I think the Realme earbuds are better than these earbuds when it comes to sound quality and the features. But there's one earphone that I'm a little confused about, the JBL C100TWS. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that name. Anyway, the JBL C100TWS are capable wireless earbuds. So Realme earbuds versus JBL C100TWS. Which one should you go for? Let's find out. So starting with the design and build quality of these earbuds, the Realme Buds Air and the JBL C100TWS have vastly different designs. The Realme Buds Air, as we all know, has a striking AirPods resemblance. It has the same half-in-ear design with the same stem, and it's a design a lot of people find more comfortable. The JBL offering, on the other hand, has a full in-ear design with silicone tips that really fit in your ear. These won't go off during workouts, so that's definitely a plus. Look, both of these earbuds look premium for the price they're being offered at, and it all depends on which in-ear design you're more comfortable with. Anyway, these are the cases these earbuds come in, and I think the Realme Buds Air case is just the better one here. I mean, both of these cases are pretty good and they offer decent charging times, which I will get back to later on. But I think the Realme Buds Air case is just the more functional of the two. First up, it has USB-C compared to micro USB on the JBL earbuds. I mean, micro USB in 2019 is just insane. The JBL C100TWS should have had USB-C. Well, secondly, the Buds Air case also support wireless charging, which makes it super easy to charge if you have a wireless charger. So yeah, the Realme Buds Air case is definitely the more functional. Now moving on from the design to the features, what about the controls on these earbuds? Well, the Realme Buds Air has touch controls, which do take some time getting used to, but once you do get used to them, they are fairly easy to use. You can play, skip tracks, answer calls, activate Google Assistant, and even activate the gaming mode. The JBL C100TWS have your usual button controls that bring the same feature set, and they're easy to get used to. However, I don't like the fact that when I press the button, it pushes the earbuds more inside my ear. It's the same problem I had with the Noirshots I was using. Anyway, there's one feature in the Realme Buds Air that I definitely miss on the JBL earbuds and other wireless earbuds in this price range, and that is wear detection. The fact that playback stops every time I take the earbuds out of my ear is amazing. So brownie points to the Realme Buds Air, or should I say AirPods. So the Realme Buds Air is obviously more feature rich, but what about the sound quality? Well, the Realme Buds Air come with 12mm dynamic drivers, while the JBL C100TWS come with 5.8mm dynamic drivers. So on paper, the Realme Buds Air should offer better sound quality. However, it's a close call. See, both of these earphones sound great. They get loud, they have great clarity, and they don't distort max volumes. But the JBL earbuds have a little more bass and the instrument separation is more refined. Maybe it's JBL's optimizations, I don't know, but these are some differences I felt while using the JBL earbuds. It's not a big difference, to be honest, and I think you'll be good with the sound quality of any of these wireless earbuds, but if you ask me to choose one, the JBL C100TWS just offers slightly better sound quality. When it comes to latency though, the Realme Buds Air are a little superior. Both the earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0, but the Realme Buds Air do come with dedicated R1 chip for low latency, and it shows, sounds. On default, both of these earbuds have low latency, but thanks to the gaming mode, the Realme Buds Air are just a little better when it comes to latency while playing a game like PUBG Mobile. It's definitely a nicer experience in my opinion. Another thing I tested is call quality. So when making a call indoors, people on the other side of the call found the JBL earbuds' mic more clearer. The voice from the Realme Buds Air was fine too, but yeah, the JBL earbuds were better. Outdoors, it was a different story though. The Buds Air come with dual mics with ENC, and that made sure that people on the other side of the call were able to hear me more clearly. Again, the JBL earbuds were not bad per se, I think it was fairly decent. But the dual mics and ENC on the Realme Buds Air kind of make a good difference. Lastly, there's the battery. Now, if you look at just the earbuds, the JBL C100TWS lasts longer. The JBL earbuds are set to last 5 hours, and in my testing it lasted for 4 hours 50 minutes, which I think is pretty good. The Realme Buds Air are set to last 3 hours, but when I tested it out, it got me 3.5 hours almost every single time. So yeah, it is good, but the JBL C100TWS are definitely better. When it comes to the cases, you get 14 hours additional battery with the case on the Buds Air and 12 hours on the JBL C100TWS case. So overall you get approximately 17 hours of battery life from both of these earbuds. So yeah, they're both fairly good. But if you take it individually, when it comes to the battery on the earbuds, the JBL C100, and when it comes to the battery on the case, the Realme Buds Air. Well, we pretty much compared everything on the Realme Buds Air and the JBL C100TWS. So which are the better earbuds to buy at Rs 3,999? Well, as you must have noticed, both of these earbuds are really good for the price. The JBL C100TWS does offer slightly better sound quality and longer battery life with the earbuds, and it'll definitely appeal more to people who want full in-ear wireless earbuds with the silicone design. However, the Realme Buds Air offer great sound quality with features that you won't find on the JBL earbuds. Wear detection, touch controls, a gaming mode for low latency, a wireless charging kit with USB-C, which is very important to me. I mean, I don't want to carry a micro USB cable just for my earphones. So, you know what? If you just can't use non-silicon half-in-ear earbuds, the JBL C100TWS are great earphones to buy. But if you're okay with the AirPods-like design and you want more features, the Realme Buds Air is definitely the way to go. Well, with the new Realme Buds Air and the Realme Fitness Tracker supposed to be coming soon, it's clear that Realme is kind of making an ecosystem of products, and I like it. What about you? What do you think of the same? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.